Guys, Joe from 450 Sports. We're about to do break number 214 out of eBay, which is a double box break of totally certified 2013 and 14. So here are the two boxes. Just want to show you guys that the box are completely sealed. There we go. And the second box. There we go. So 4 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. Break numéro 214. Donc le break numéro 214. Bonne chance tout le monde. Good luck everybody. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 packs. And our second box. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Box empty. Here we go, 8 packs. Good luck everybody. Bonne chance tout le monde. Here we go. Break 214. Alright, here we go. We start off with a blue rookie. It's numbered out of 50. Panthers, Quinton Alden. Merci. Then number 210. Nice. Prime jersey blue rookie. Jacob Trouba for the Jets. Number 210. 6 out of 10. If you'll be able to see it, but it's number 210. So a nice start to that break. Then we have number 225, a gold Islanders, Lubomir Wisnowski. Rookie of Alexander Barkov for Panthers. And a rookie roll call jersey, Ducks, Sami Vatanen. And a base. We have a base, a rookie of Christopher Nilstorp. Christopher Nilstorp for the Dallas Stars. And a totally certified jersey for the Boston Bruins of Brad Marchand. This is pack number 4, so out of the first box. Base, then we have a rookie for the Buffalo Sabres of Brian Flynn. Brian Flynn for the Sabres. And we have a dual certified competitors. Going to be a random between Nashville and St. Louis. Shea Weber and Barrett Jackman. Weber and Backman. So random. I'll do that one after we're done with those packs. And we have base rookie for the Montreal Canadiens of Nathan Beaulieu. Autograph, nice one, for the Canucks, Ryan Kessler. He's having great postseason again. Three packs left. So we have base rookie, nice, for Nashville Predators, Philip Forsberg for Nashville. And our rookie auto jersey is of Thomas Hickey for the Islanders. So Thomas Hickey and a base. 2 packs left, guys. 2 paquets restants. Base number 225, red Washington Capitals, Nicholas Backstrom. Number 225. Rookie Johan Larson for Buffalo. And a totally certified jersey for Colorado of Maxime Talbot. And a base. Last pack. We had a nice Trouba in that double so far. Base number 200. Red Tyler Ennis for Buffalo. Buffalo has a lot of hits in that product. Rookie for the Stars, Valerie Nishushkin. And we end up with a jersey number 200, LA Kings, Jonathan Quick, clear cloth. So there we go. So I'm going to do the random for this card, which is a double jersey certified competitors Weber and Jackman between Nashville and St. Louis. So just give me a second. I'll just prepare it. So Nashville and St. Louis. So Nashville and St. Louis. Right. All right, let me just put the camera so you guys can see the window. So here we are. Just there we go. Random.org. Just scroll down. So random between Nashville and St. Louis. Good luck. So 1, 2, and 3. Team at number 1 wins it. Good luck. Bonne chance. Randomized 3 times. Winner is Nashville. So Nashville gets this card. Shea Weber and Barry Jackman. So thanks again, guys, for joining. We will have break number 215 in a couple of minutes, which is a double of Ultimate. Also, you make sure you check out our Facebook page. We have Masterpiece is coming up on Wednesday. We have a break ongoing with a couple of nice teams still left. Half case break of 5 boxes, and 2 teams left in our 10 box inner case. So thanks again, guys, for joining, and see you guys next time.